This double-size marine stereo delivers strong audio power with flexible equalizer controls, so it can cut through engine noise and open water without sounding harsh. Built-in Bluetooth with a modern version makes pairing quick and stable, letting you stream from phones and tablets without dropouts while you move around the boat. The integrated microphone and call controls on the faceplate make hands-free calls straightforward, which is especially useful when you need both hands on the helm. Its clear front display with multicolor night illumination and simple buttons is easy to read in bright sun or low light, and the included remote adds extra convenience from the cockpit or cabin. Front-mounted, auxiliary, and universal serial bus inputs give you simple plug-in options for older players or flash drives, and the unit handles compressed music files reliably. The standard double-sized chassis and included wiring harnesses help the receiver fit common dash openings on many boats, reducing installation hassle for do-it-yourself owners.